All manufacturing plants around the country have now reopened following an announcement by the Department of the Industry and Handicraft under the Ministry of Industry and Commerce. The department's Director General, Dr Bouavanh Volavong, told a press conference on Monday. However, business operation must be carried out in compliance with the measures laid out by the National Taskforce for COVID-19 Prevention and Control, he advised.
มาตรการในการป้องกันโควิดอยู่ในบรรดาโรงจักรโรงงานเนาะเป็นต้นแม้ในเรื่องของการเผยแพร่ให้พนักงานกรรมกรให้เอาใจใส่ปฏิบัติมาตรการป้องกันโควิด
Speaking at the daily media briefing on Monday, Director General of the Department of Industry and Handicrafts under the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Dr Bouavanh Volavong, said all manufacturing plants around the country have now reopened following an announcement by the Department of Industry and Handicraft under the Ministry of Industry and Commerce. Factory staff must test the temperature of employees on entry and exit, ensure a safe distance between workers, provide wash basins with soap and disinfectant, and ensure food safety and cleanliness in factory canteens.
การปฏิบัติการรักษาระยะห่างถ้าว่าอยู่ในขอดการผลิตหันบ่สามารถรักษาระยะห่างได้ก็ต้องมีการกั้นบ่ให้มีการเบิ่งหน้ากันโดยกงเนาะเพราะว่าจะเฮ็ดให้เชื้อหันแพร่ระบาดได้มีการกำหนดให้มีการสนองสิ่งล้างมือเนาะแล้วก็มีการฆ่าเชื้อสิ่งที่มีการสัมผัสเรื่อยๆหัน
Dr. Bouavanh urged all workers to continue to follow the practices recommended to contain the virus, such as wearing a face mask, using hand sanitizer, and observing social distancing. The ministry is also encouraging factory managers, including those in special and specific economic zones, to arrange their employees to be vaccinated against COVID-19. So far, 5,500 workers at more than 20 factories have been vaccinated, and more will be vaccinated in the near future. In a bid to ease the difficult situations encountered as a result of the pandemic, business leaders have asked the government to tackle various issues through the Lao National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the Japanese Chamber of Commerce and Industry to Laos, and European Chamber of Commerce and Industry to Laos. Areas of concerns include trade facilitation and foods transport, welfare for workers who have been laid off, tax and duty exemptions, and a price cut in electricity and water bills. Various sectors of government have announced policies and introduced measures to help the public amid the virus outbreak, especially when regards to transport and social welfare for factory workers. Electricity bills will be reduced by 3% and water bills by 5% for a period of 3 months, from May to July.
ในเรื่องของการเอาใจใส่การโรงจักรโรงงานหันระดมพนักงานหันไปรับการสักวัคซีนซึ่งทางแขนงสาธารณสุขเพิ่นก็ได้มีการจัดอยู่หลายบอน
According to Director General of Department of Industry and Handicraft under the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Dr Bouavanh Volavong, the Ministry of Industry and Commerce will continue to cooperate with the relevant sectors to mitigate the impacts of the pandemic. The ministry has instructed the managers of factories in Vientiane and the provinces to continue to follow the government guidelines on preventing the spread of the virus, in line with the recent Prime Minister's order, and to prepare different production methods in line with changing circumstances.